Hey everyone, thanks for watching again. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all notifications. Today we've got a 2014 International Prostar single bunk sleeper manual 10-speed transmission, 484,000 on the odometer. It's got aluminum wheels throughout. Truck is road ready. Comes with a fresh DOT inspection, which you receive. All of our trucks are checked thoroughly by a third-party shop here in Indianapolis, Indiana. They make any and all necessary repairs, so we want to ensure that the truck is road ready right away. You can check us out on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram. There'll be links in the description, as well as our immediate website. You see there on the mud flaps, ExcelerateTrucks.com. We manage that site daily with all of our inventory, so it is accurate, current inventory listed on there each day. All true and exact pricing is listed on our website. Down payments, length of terms, weekly payments as well. No hidden fees, no surprises when you come in to pick up a truck. Sign the truck on with any company of your choice or run strictly for your own authority. You have complete freedom to sign on with any company. Check out the inside. We got 484,650 miles to be exact. Eaton Fuller manual 10-speed transmission. Single bunk sleeper. All right, we'll go ahead and fire it up and look under the hood. right, there you have it. We've got a 2014 International Prostar. Manual 10-speed transmission, 484 on the odometer. Single bunk sleeper. Again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share. Check us out online, Facebook, Instagram, and acceleratretrucks.com. Thanks for watching.